case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1996, Bronx Auto Mall Inc., trading as Bronx Acura, found itself entangled in a legal battle against American Honda Motor Co., AHMC. The lawsuit came as a repercussion of AHMC's ambitious bid to open 600 Acura dealerships, paving the path for dealership establishments in less lucrative markets and harboring a bias for existing merchants. The conflict hit a crescendo when Bronx Acura accused AHMC of violating the New York Franchised Motor Vehicle Dealer Act by calling for extensive and baseless renovations. The court sided with Bronx Acura, ruling that AHMC was devoid of any reasonable cause to end the franchise agreement. Given the ruling, Bronx Acura sought injunctive relief and compensation for damages. Digging deeper into the case, it was revealed that AHMC had pre-planned to cut down on the number of dealerships, especially focusing on those located in less desirable areas. Bronx Acura's sales took a nosedive, leading them to employ aggressive competition strategies, including price reductions and targeted advertising to attract customers from beyond their primary market premises. The New York court granted Bronx Acura a permanent injunction, stemming AHMC's ability to terminate or not renew the franchise agreement without sufficient grounds. As part of the ruling, AHMC was to cover all costs, disbursements, and a reasonable attorney's fee. However, the calculation of the plaintiff's damages posed a hefty challenge due to the weakening popularity of Acura, which had registered a palpable impact on Bronx Acura's sales record. The court recognized the potential negative effect on the sale of the plaintiff's other models, following a potential loss of the Acura line, which further complicated the process of quantifying the damages.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class